Everyone, my name is Shalom. This is another G7fx review. I enrolled in this course over 1 year ago, but to be honest, I got no value from the course whatsoever. So the tools, the indicators that Nerav uses, okay, so he uses the depth of market, which is the one on the right hand side there, going up and down. Also footprint, these are these candlestick ones. He also uses VWAP, cumulative delta, and volume profile. Right? But I don't use any of those tools. I find none of them work for me. And if you want to know more about learning how to use those tools, you can just go onto YouTube, and there's plenty of guys explaining how they use the tools. So the difference between me and Nerav is a scalper on early time frames, whereas with me I trade based on market maker cycles. Alright. So market maker cycles, in my opinion, overrides everything of what he's doing, because the market maker cycles is giving you direction of where the market is going. And these market maker cycles are going different directions on different time frames. It's all about timing, by the way, so you're waiting for the right time to catch those cycles. Alright. So what he's doing is nothing wrong with what he's doing, but you do that second after you know where the direction's going first. Alright. You never do what he's doing first, do that second. And so yeah, I don't use any of his tools, and I'm still getting a 80 to 100% win rate. So for example, out of every 10 trades I place into the market, I'll win at least 8 of those trades. Alright. So he's scalping, looking for small pips, anywhere maybe from between 6 to 15 pips, and then he's out of the market. So I'm just going to stop this video, YouTube video. So with what he's doing is extremely high risk, because you've got the market makers, also called liquidity providers and investment banks. Basically, they're the people on the other side taking our orders. All right. I'm not talking about the secondary retail broker. That's the middleman between us and the actual primary broker. I'm talking about the primary broker. So the primary broker can actually manipulate these candlesticks to go higher or shorter on these earlier time frames at a big scale. Right? So this is why I never go down to those earlier time frames. So in my opinion, what he's doing is good, but it's only to get an accurate entry once you've found the direction first. Okay. And another thing that I must tell you is that the way he teaches his theory, because what he's in his course, it's all just theory, it's nothing in real time. Yeah, it's not like actual real trading, showing his profits and losses and why he would put in his entry here, take profit there, and stop loss there. Nothing like that. So his theory is very vague and is not explained properly in his course. However, the way he explains what he does on his YouTube channel is 100 times better than the way he explains it in his course. Obviously, he has to do that because his YouTube channel is a sales channel to entice people to enroll in his course, alright? But I don't recommend anyone to pay for his course. I've given you all the information. You can just go and onto YouTube and just also go onto his YouTube channel and learn off that way. So I've been a victim of online courses since 2012. I first enrolled in a course created by Greg Secker. It's a British guy. He owned a company called Knowledge to Action in those days. I have to be honest with that guy. Also, his course was complete rubbish. It gave me no value whatsoever. So, yeah, I know I can't do any hate speech on here because of YouTube's terms and conditions, but it never worked, and he's still advertising to this day, advertising courses that don't work. But anyway, I'll put that behind me. But the point I'm trying to make is that there's so many guys online, alright, they're offering all these courses, they're advertising on YouTube, and the things that they're teaching you, okay, it may work sometimes, but it always doesn't work, alright? Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. But that's not consistency, right? So you paid for that course, and then now you're not getting consistency, so you're going walking around, you're going around in circles. So you enroll in another course. Also, that course is telling you something that's good, but it doesn't always work. So again, you're still not getting consistency, and then you're going round and round in circles, getting nowhere. And that's also the same with all these indicators out there. They may be good indicators, but they could be lagging on different time frames, alright? So this is why over 90% of traders do not succeed. They fail in the markets because of all what's been taught online. Most of it's not consistent. And that's probably why a lot of these guys are selling courses, because they're not consistent themselves. So they're needing to find other forms of income while they're trading at the same time. Yeah. Yep, so I don't use his tools. Just to summarize, I don't use his tools. I find market maker cycles is more, it gives me a more winning edge. His teachings on his YouTube channel is better than the course. You understand the problems of paying for courses. Don't pay for any courses. You don't want to be like a victim like myself, alright? So I get an 80 to 100% win rate just based on market maker cycle trading. I don't scalp like Nerav. I don't use any of his tools. Yeah. So that's just another review. And what I want you ladies and gents to do is just write a comment. And then on my next video, I can talk about your comments. Alright. So thank you so much for your time and for listening, and I'll be back with another video. Thank you.